Hello everyone, got a YouTube here. Just going to take you through a few bits and bobs of what I've done. So this is for a live mini terrarium. Just going to take you through a few bits that I've got. So we'll start off with a jar, which was one of my old Yankee candles, which obviously I've just cleaned out, so it's nice and clean. Comes with a lid as well. I've also got a bit of capillary matting, which obviously you put over the stones, which is to be used to separate the compost from the stones. We've also got a pair of mini, well, what do you call them, snips or whatever, just a bit of tweezers, just to plant the plants. A pair of scissors, obviously a tray, because you don't want to get anything dirty. As well, we've got some stones and some little plants which I collected out front of my garden. We've also got some little acorns as well, obviously decoration. We've got some obviously weeds, which will be for if you wanted bigger tubs as well. We've got some sphagnum moss or live moss, 3 different types, so there's quite a bit there. We've also got 2 different types of soils, as you can see there. I don't think if you can see, there's 2 different soil types, because obviously one's a bit darker than the others. So one will be a bottom layer and then one will be the top layer. What else have we got here? Oh yes, so we've got some different variety size twigs, which will help to anchor certain plants, mosses, etc. And obviously last but not least, we've got a bit of bark. This is quite a good one, particularly because it's kind of a coal jet black kind of bark chippings. So I picked it because I like the colour. I think it's going to look nice inside the jar. So yeah, obviously just getting sorted now, and I will see you on the next episode. Take care for now.